What up, everybody? Welcome to the Elevated Chef. It's your boy, Chef Trey Strongs. And today, we're going to be making some fire ginger glazed chicken lettuce wraps. Getting a little healthy, but extra tasty on you guys today. Let's head to the kitchen. You'll need ground chicken, pureed ginger, Bib lettuce, or lettuce that's preferably Bib, green pepper, sugar snap peas, carrots, lime, garlic powder, Thai basil, sesame oil, and a little bit of infused coconut oil. And I also use some maple syrup in this recipe. Cut your peppers. Start to cook your chicken. Add your cut peppers. Season with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a small amount of sesame oil. It's real easy to overdo with that stuff. While that's cooking, break down your lettuce into usable shells by removing the core at the bottom of the lettuce. Once you remove that, you should have separated layers of lettuce ready for use. Cut up your sugar snap peas, rinse and peel your carrots, add those together, and squeeze just a bit of that lime, add some salt, and set to the side. Once your chicken is almost fully cooked, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of pureed ginger. And right here is where I added some of that Kraft maple syrup. Reduce the heat and stirred together, adding again just a squeeze of lime to the chicken to add a little bit of that acid. Once it's all done, lay your chicken into the lettuce shell. Top with your snap, pea, and carrot strips on top of your chicken, a little Thai basil, and a little sesame seed. Tell me that isn't good enough to eat a few of those. There you have it, another dank recipe in the books. Try this one tonight, tomorrow for lunch, whenever it comes to you. I guarantee you won't regret it. Like every recipe that's been dropped so far, go check them out. Hit subscribe and the bell next to it to be notified every time we're drinking. Whoa, we're dropping dank content on you guys like this. Appreciate the foodies, the gromies, appreciate you. Stay elevated.